Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an announcement on the Bitrix 24 website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to go to our account, and after going to the account, what we need to do, simply we have to go to the more option. So let's click on the more option, and after clicking on the more option, as you can see, you will be able to see the announcement option here. So we have to click on the announcement, and after clicking on the announcement option, as you can see, you will be able to see the post like this. So basically the announcement option is for the premium one. So if you want to buy the premium one, or if you want to use the trial period, has an option for the trial 15 days for free. So we have to click on that, and after clicking on that, as you can see, you will get the trial period, and you can also use that for creating your announcement. So I'm going to click on the activate free 15 days trial. So let's click on this, and the trial period will be activated, and after the activation of your trial period, you will be able to create your announcement. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.